Hello friends, welcome back. Here's one more TCS Digital Elevate Vim1 preparation video, and this video is dedicated to coding section. In this video we will discuss a program in top 4 preferred languages, and these languages will be Java, Python, C++ and C language. And here's the problem statement. Jen invented a time machine and want to test it by time traveling to visit Russia on the day of programmer, the 256th day of the year, during a year in the inclusive range from 1700 to 2700. From 1700 to 1917, Russia's official calendar was Julian calendar. Since 1918, they used the Gregorian calendar system. The transition from Julian to Gregorian calendar system occurred in 1918, when the next day after 31st of January was February 14. This means that in 1918, February 14th was the 32nd day of the year in Russia. In both the calendar system, February is the only month with variable amount of days. It has 29 days during a leap year and 28 days during all other years. In Julian calendar, leap year are divisible by 4. In the Gregorian calendar, leap years are either of the following: divisible by 400 or divisible by 4 and not divisible by 100. Given a year Y, find the date of 256th day of that year according to the official Russian calendar during that year. Then print it in the format day, month, year. Day is the 2-digit day and month is the 2-digit month and year is Y. For example, the given year is 1984. 1984 is divisible by 4, so it is a leap year. The 256th day of a leap year after 1918 is September 12. So answer is 12.9.1984. Function description. Complete the programmer day function in the editor below. It should return a string representing the date of 256th day of the year given. Programmer day has the following parameters: year, an integer. Input format, a single integer denoting year Y. Output format, print the full date of programmer day during year Y in the format day, month, year, where DD is the 2-digit day, MM is the 2-digit month and YYY is a year Y. Sample input 2017, sample output 13.09.2017. Now here's the program, and this program is written in Java language, and in this program we have simply used if else conditional statement, and you can just have a look at the program and try to understand it, and there is nothing so much difficult in this program. And after having a look on this program, now this is the program in Python language. I will show the solution of this program to you in all 4 languages that I have mentioned earlier: Java, Python, C++ and C. So you can prefer the language of your own choice, and here's the solution of this program, and you can see and try to do it yourself. And now this is the solution of this program in C++ language, and in all the programs we have simply used if else conditional statement. And finally here we have the program in the language most of the candidates want, and this is in C language. Okay guys, you can choose the language of your choice. However, I have shown the solution in only 4 languages, but there are 17 languages which are available as choice in TCS Digital 2021. So guys, thanks for watching this video. I hope this video will help you in TCS Digital, and please subscribe this channel TCS India.